Hello guys, this is Mariana. Just a quick video to let you know how you can start your own business with no capital whatsoever. Yes, your own business with no capital. And this is how it works. Let's say, and bear in mind, this video is only for those who already have a supplier in place. If you don't have a supply in place, you can send me an email and I will let you know how you can do that, how you can get the best supply with the best quality product as well and a good price for it. But for those of you who already had a supplier, this video is for you guys. Let's say you already had a supplier and you want to go into handbag business. And obviously, you know, many women like myself, we go out, we have a handbag with us. That is something that women do quite often. And this is a simple question that I'm asking everyone now. How many friends you have on Facebook? How many followers you have in Twitter and Instagram? In your phone contact right now, how many friends and family member and colleague you have in your phone? That's a business opportunity for you and you don't even realize it. Now what you need to do, you already had a company you're dealing with, but you don't have the money to purchase the product. You already have all these pictures in place. Invite this to your friends and family and colleague one-to-one and tell them, you know what, I have this product I want to sell for my business and the quality is really good and this is the design. And for those that, you know, it's not reachable at the moment, send them email with the pictures, attachment. Say, this is the picture of the product that I'm selling right now. And then, obviously, as we all know, many women have handbags. The moment they say they like it, fine. They'll put an order. You do, repeat that, you know, over and over again. Make sure you do as many as possible, not just 10 or 20 or 30, and you stop as many as possible because the bigger the better. And what you do now, because you have this much people interested in your product, they place the order. So you collect the money, you place the order with the factory, and then the factory will deliver the product to you and you deliver to your customer. Bingo, they're happy, you're happy. Now the next step you need to do, if you want people to know about your product, you're going to create a Facebook page for it, for your business. And what you need to, the next step again, you open an eBay account, Amazon account to start selling your product in these channels. Very easy and simple, and create the business one. It costs £22 for eBay and around £25 for Amazon business account, right? And you create your PayPal account and link it together. So what you're going to do next, every person who already, a client you have already ordered from you previously, send them the link of your new channel of eBay and Amazon. Let them order from that channel from now on and make sure you say to them, please, can you leave a review when you order next time? They'll leave a review. And do you know what happened? Because they leave a review, as long as a positive one, if somebody go to eBay or Amazon looking for a handbag, as long as they put the keyword of the product you're selling, their search engine will automatically put the one with the top positive feedback from customer in the front page. And that's where you want to be. That's why you have to make sure you ask your customer to leave a review as many as possible, which is really good because that will literally put you into the front page of the site engine of Amazon and eBay. Bingo, you start your business. So what happened is try this method. Let me know how it go with you. If you need to take it to the next level, send me an email and I will let you know how you can take your business to the next level. Just 1, 2, 3. That's it. Simple as easy. So please leave your comment below and let me know if you try this challenge, and also let me know how it goes. If you're struggling to do it, let me know and I can help you to do it. Very easy. Not difficult at all. Till next time, have a great afternoon. Bye.